Hi everyone, I'm here at the studio today, and as I showed you in a previous tutorial of how I shampoo and maintain my blonde hair, this is basically me not doing anything with my hair after putting that leave-in conditioning product. So today I'm going to show you how my day 2 of hairstyling looks like. So day 2 for me normally just means applying a few soft curls to enhance my natural texture. As you can see, I have a slight bend in my hair. It's not really wavy or curly, it's just kind of got a bit of a kink. So I'm going to show you how to create that lived-in wavy look using only a paddle brush, a curling wand, and of course our Beachy spray from Oribe. First things first is you're going to want to brush out your hair, making sure that there's no knots in your hair and that it's going to be easier to work through. Secondly, I just wanted to point out that the styling products and the leave-in conditioning products that I put in my hair on day 1 of shampooing has already primed my hair for heat protection, so I don't think I need to add anything else to protect my hair from heat damage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my curling iron or curling wand. I like using a wand for this particular curl. And I'm going to grab about, I don't know, a 1 inch or 2 inch section from the front of my hair, and I'm going to curl the hair. I'm going to place the wand sort of behind the hair, and I'm going to curl the hair away from my face. But you'll notice that I'm only curling the mid-lengths of the hair. So I'm leaving the root area uncurled and the ends left out, and I'm just kind of rocking the hair back and forth, or just giving it a bit of a bend. So when I drop it, my ends are still going to be sort of straight, my root is going to be flat, and the bend is going to be more so in the middle. I'm going to move on to the next section, and I'm going to grab a big chunk in the side. So you'll notice that I'm leaving the second section clean and sort of straight. And I'm going to do the same technique, and I'm going to curl the ends, the mid-lengths of my hair away from the face. And the reason I'm not curling the ends is because I just want to create a really natural lived-in finish, and I want my hair to look like it's natural wave. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into the hair, and I'm going to grab the pieces that I didn't curl, and I'm just going to wrap my curling iron just around those ends to give it a slight bend. Again, we're trying to create a really lived-in finish here, so we don't want the hair to look overly curly or kind of too contrived. But if you give those little ends a bend, and when I shake this all out, it's just going to have a bit more of a flow, and it's going to mimic a naturally wavy hair texture. So I'm just running my fingers through my hair and just kind of checking out to see how I'm liking the status of my curls. I think I want to create a bit more lift and volume, so what I did here was basically grab a smaller section, and I'm just running my curling iron right up the root area here, just to kind of give a bit of lift. And so you can see when I release that, you're already seeing that there's a bit of lift. So for those of you with fine hair, this is a really cool technique. Style, I'm going to use the Oribe Beachy Wave and Shine Spray. You want to give this product a really good shake and then just spray it into the hair. I like to spray from the bottom up. This product is like a hair shampoo, or sorry, like a hairspray and a dry shampoo in one. It's also got some really great oils in there, so it helps to keep the hair feeling a little bit more like it's got a bit of a sheen to it, whereas sometimes some dry shampoos can feel a bit too mattifying. But in saying that, I also love the Oribe Matte Waves product. So I use this one almost every day. I do a few pumps in my hands, and I just kind of, disperse it throughout my hands and then through my fingers. And then I just kind of like go back in and just touch up those ends, and it just kind of gives your hair a bit of hold. It makes it a bit more wild, a bit more sexy. and I just dig that vibe. I think it looks so good, and but the hair feels amazing, it smells amazing, and I think this style can really work for every day, and it can also work for any sort of special occasion. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's a pretty straightforward style. I think all of you can accomplish this at home. And I do encourage you that while you're at home and quarantining, like, take time and take care of yourselves and style your hair and get dressed, and you know, it definitely changes your mood, and doing these tutorials is just connecting us with all of you, and we're having so much fun, and we really, really hope that this lifts your spirits as much as this lifts ours to share it with you. Mwah, we love you.